Welcome to DIYEasyCrafts.com, how to make your own mounting brackets for child and pet safety gates. Now, many safety gates come with expandable mounting pads. They're usually on a threaded rod. The problem with these pads is that they apply a decent amount of pressure to your home's drywall or sheetrock walls. That pressure and the constant taking these gates on and off can cause quite a bit of damage to the walls. In addition, these gates are notoriously not very secure. So if a dog pushes on them or a child pushes and pulls on them, not only are you causing damage to the walls, but you're also leaving that child or pet exposed to hazards. What we're going to show you how to do is very easily make a secure bayonet-style mounting bracket that will hold the safety gate securely to the wall from being pushed or pulled out of place. And at the same time, it will protect your drywall or sheetrock walls and paint from any damage. Now, we're just going to use a standard block of molding. This is about 3 or 3.5 inches square. I got this one from Home Depot, and you get them for under $1. And we're going to create a groove on the back side of that molding. I'll show you exactly what we're going to do. And we're also going to cap it with a piece of 1/4 inch hardwood so that the pressure from those mounting pads is to that hardwood rather than to your sheetrock walls. A very simple, very fast project. We're going to start by just setting our router to the depth that's equivalent to the thickness of the mounting pad that you have. And I'll show you. You'll see how it mounts in a minute. I'm going to secure this block of molding into a vise, and then I'm just going to use a router to just quickly router out the area on the back of this molding block so that the pad has someplace to go. It doesn't have to be neat, doesn't have to be perfectly smooth. You're not going to see any of this outer routered area. Alright, so once that groove is created, I'm then going to go over to the pin saw, and I'm just going to cut out a slot. And this slot is going to allow the threaded rod to slide into it. And again, you'll see this in a second when I hold up that mounting pad. So that the threaded rod is going to slide through that groove, and the mounting pad is going to sit flush inside the routed out area on the back of that molding block. Alright, so the only additional thing that we had to do was just cut a piece of that 1/4 inch thick hardwood. I just used red oak craft wood that was available at Home Depot. I'm going to glue this to that mounting block, or that molding block. I'll sand off all the sides so that all the sides will look uniform, and then that can be painted and it'll look like one piece of wood. I'm then going to screw this in place at the correct height and location for my child safety gate. Just one screw seems to hold it securely to the wall. This one hit a stud. And the bracket is designed so that the safety gate will slide in from underneath. Aesthetically, it will look good from above, but it will also prevent that gate from being pushed forward or pulled back. I'll show you how this is going to mount right now. So we're going to slide it in place, tilt it, and slide it in place from underneath, and then you still have access to the screw, which adjusts the tension on that gate. And once in place, this gate is very secure. And in addition, you don't have to fix the damage to your sheetrock walls ever again. A very simple, easy, do-it-yourself project that will actually add a little bit of safety to your child and pet's environment. Now, please check us out on the web at DIYEasyCrafts.com. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos. And if you like this video, I ask that you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel.